Creating YouTube videos is not that easy. It is actually a very time-consuming job and requires a lot of effort, but it doesn't have to be like that anymore. There are some AI tools introduced that they can create a complete video for you with just a single prompt. So there is this concept called YouTube automation, which can be a game changer for creating videos much easier and faster. So what is YouTube automation? During the video creation process, there are multiple steps involved, such as coming up with video ideas, thumbnail design, writing the outline and script, recording, editing, and so on. So all of these steps together require a lot of time and effort, especially if you are doing everything yourself. And this is where YouTube automation comes in. YouTube automation involves handling these tasks either by outsourcing them to other people or by using tools and software. It is actually not a new thing. Large YouTubers already kinda automated their channels because they have the money. They can afford to hire content creators, video editors, and managers to help with these tasks, so they can focus more on the content itself rather than spending time for all of these steps. But this way is expensive and not feasible for smaller channels and individual creators, because they don't have the budget yet to hire even one person. And therefore, YouTube automation wasn't that popular before. But today, things have started to change significantly because AI is there. Many people still don't realize this, but AI made content creation and YouTube automation much easier than before by making it affordable and accessible to everyone. Which means that if you want to do YouTube automation, you don't need to hire people anymore. You can use AI tools for the same tasks, some for completely free or at very affordable costs. There are some AI tools introduced that they can create a complete video for you with just a single prompt. One example we can give is inVideo AI. This tool can create videos for you just with a single prompt. It offers templates, automated editing features, and even voiceovers, allowing you to produce video content with minimal effort. If you want me to make an in-depth tutorial video about inVideo AI, then comment down below. So by using these AI tools and getting help from AI, YouTube automation is today much easier than before. Basically, there are two ways to do YouTube automation. And the first one is with your personal YouTube channel. In this approach, you appear in front of the camera. You still make your own videos, but you automate some of these video production steps with AI. And the second way is starting a YouTube automation or a faceless YouTube channel. These are the channels that we don't know who is behind. The Tesla Space, Alex, and similar channels are some examples of faceless channels. These kinds of channels either hire people to create content or they use AI tools without ever showing the person's face. They get a lot of views, but we don't know who is behind of it. So if you have a YouTube automation channel, you are the owner of the channel without showing your face. And you can use AI for both type of channels, whether you are in front of the camera or behind the camera. For example, content creators might use ChatGPT for script writing, Descript for video editing, and Opus Clip for creating short-form content. This allows them to focus more on their content quality while still benefiting from automation. The only thing you need to decide is which of these tasks you want to automate. For example, video editing takes a lot of time. You can use AI to help with video editing only, and the rest you can still do yourself. Or you can completely automate the process with different AI tools, but then you need to decide which AI tools are good for your needs. I'm currently working on an ebook that will cover all of these AI tools in detail and will explain how you can use these tools for each step in your advantage. If you are interested in learning more about it, then make sure to subscribe to my email newsletter, and you will also receive my free roadmap for helping you to grow your channel and get 1000 YouTube subscribers if you decide to sign up. The link is below in description. So whether you already have a YouTube channel or maybe you are thinking about starting a new one, artificial intelligence can help you automate tasks or even build a brand new automation channel. We will talk about how to start a YouTube automation channel step by step in the upcoming video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video.